Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bus stop sign. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen to draw the bus stop sign. First of all, you have to draw some straight lines. Let's make all the corners rounded. Now I'm using my blue pen. And doing the same thing. Now I will draw a bus using my little pencil. Let's draw its wheels. This is the door of the bus. Let's draw the windows. Now I'm drawing some straight lines here, and it will help me to write bus stop. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my blue pen. My coloring is done. Thank you so much for watching.